Did you know everything they taught you in science class might be wrong? We're exposing 20 huge science myths that even smart people still believe. Can lightning strike the same place twice? Do we really only use 10% of our brains? And wait till you hear number 12. It'll make you question everything. Smash that like button if you're ready for some truth bombs. Let's debunk these myths together. Here's the first one. You can see the Great Wall of China from space. False. The Great Wall is not visible to the naked eye from space. Humans use only 10% of their brains. False. Lightning can strike the same place multiple times. Absolutely true. 5 seconds rule for dropped food is scientifically valid. Sorry, it's absolutely false. Sugar doesn't cause hyperactivity in children. Yes, this is true. Bats are not blind, they just prefer echolocation. Yes, this is true. The moon has no permanent dark side. Yes, that's true. Humans evolved from chimpanzees. Sorry, it's completely false. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. It's very true. Goldfish can remember things for months. It's true. Hair and nails keep growing after death. It's completely false. A penny dropped from skyscraper can kill anyone. No way to believe, it's false. Carrot supports eye health, but don't improve night vision. It's very true. Sharks can detect blood from hundreds of feet away, not miles. That's true. The sun is yellow. True or false? False. Goldfish have 3 seconds memory. Sorry, it's not true. Thanks for watching. Please motivate me by subscribing my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below.